So I got Matt from Thunder Robot. It's a new brand to me. I'm just looking around for mini PCs and laptops, but can you just take us through your range of...
Actually, we mostly focus on the gaming area. You can see no matter on the gaming laptop, desktop, and even the mini PC, and even some gaming accessory, we also cover it. So you can see behind, there's actually a few product line. One is for the gaming laptop, and one is for the Ultrabook, is for the content creator or something for the general work.
Yeah, I always think a good gaming PC is also a good content creator laptop, isn't it? It's a good creator laptop. So, yeah, tell us generally about your ranges that you've got, that you're showing off today. Are these ones the ones with the GPUs?
Actually, those product line is also for the all has equipped with the 50 NVIDIA 50
series GPUs.
Yeah, it is. So, and also we use the largest CPU is just like Intel Ultra 7, Ryzen R9 series CPU. So actually you can see it's top end gaming laptop. We can show it right now.
Yeah, sure thing. And have you got, what's the sort of price point? Is this sort of more budget aiming price point, or?
Actually, it depends on, we have the price from low to high, but we just showed the high-end gaming laptop. You can expect it's about $1,000 above. But actually, comparing the traditional gaming laptop brand, we will have more competitive price to compare it, because we have just cut down a lot of the free from the distributor and we direct to the customer. That's what we do.
Cool, awesome.
Yeah, actually you can see we have already launched for some concept product, but it doesn't publish yet. You can see we just want to show the concept product to our customer, and let's see how it react on the new product. If it's react great, that's probably on launch. Yeah.
Oh, I see. So this one's got a second screen.
Yeah,
but
it is.
The second screen folds up as well.
Actually, it's some kind of. There's two different products. It's one for just like two pad on the. Have we remove the keyboard from the traditional laptop, and actually it's an Ultrabook for workers. Because sometimes maybe you have multi-working, you need to maybe show the PowerPoint, even at the same time you have to chat someone. So I think the dual screen is very convenient for your work. So that's why we decided those comparing to the traditional laptop, we remove the keyboard.
So I always also like a mechanical keyboard, even Office PC. It's not just for gamers, is it?
Yeah.
Quite
it
cool
is. You can see it is basically all for the mechanical keyboard. You can have a very interesting and creative keycaps we have, and also the gaming mouse is up to the 4,000 polling rate, even the 8,000 polling rate is totally fit for the gamer who need in a competitive game, especially a competition.
Cool. Are you doing Hall effect keyboards yet? Do you do Hall effect keyboards as well, or all mechanical?
Actually, basically mechanical. We have some Hall effect keyboard for the some FPS gamer. Maybe they interest for the.
So I see you're like showing three brands here, all under the name Heya. Do you want to just tell us what the brands sort of represent? The three
Sure. Actually, we have three brands here, and one's called Thunder Robot. It is for the traditional gaming. That's just like some high-end gaming laptop. For Magic, it is mainly for the something fun. Just like you can see the pixel keyboard. There is something funky accessory we want to create to show our customers. And for another one is called Mac Creator. Just like maybe a general workers, you may need the Ultrabooks, and this is the series for the workers.
So this is, did you call this Mac Creator? You called it?
Yes, Mac Creator. You can see there have a series of mini PC. There's with GPU, and even some product is for the gaming boards. we call mainly for the mini PC. You can just connect to the monitor and even some television. You can just plug in, and you can also easy to play your PC game on your room. It's yeah, it is.
Cool.
So,
Well, thanks very much for showing us your brands. Really
Okay,
appreciate
sure.
you, Matt. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool. Really cool.